Okay. Okay, now you got to end your segment. Like, comment, share.
Well, welcome to Mama Deb's kitchen. I'm taking over. Remember when Billy said I'm going to be back? And now I have my own little segment. Look at me. So we're going to make Espresso Martinis. You see that, Catch? Try that again. Okay. So while we're cooking some chicken and Brussels sprouts, we're doing an intermission with some Espresso Martinis. I already made a tester because I tried looking at the instructions and there was not how much you should put in the thing. So, winging it, I did great. So, first, we're going to add 2 shots of your choice of vodka. Today we are using Buckle.
Fucking buckle.
Buckle. Yeah. So 1.
It was a gift.
It was a gift. 2. We're also going to do a shot of Kahlua. And then, because we don't have espresso, we got these espresso Starbucks. Even better. Okay. We're just gonna pour half of that lovely thing, like 3 ounces in. And then alright.
Eric, can
Don't
you
judge me, I'm not a bartender.
Eric, you be your taste tester.
Eric
James McLaughlin.
All right,
You're
what's his
up.
nickname?
Baby Snorlax. What?
My mom's sister.
Oh, what's she send me?
TikTok challenge for while for doing it, painting each other.
Oh, Jesus.
So
Dorks.
Naked.
No.
What are we doing here?
You're taste testing.
I can't taste anything.
Just taste it and say it's good.
That was good. You can taste the hat.
Drink it, it'll make you feel better.
That's for you.
Oh, it's for how it works.
Yeah, I made one for myself.
What's the vodka type you used?
Buckle.
What's the drink called?
Espresso Martinis. Cheers.
Is it X or espresso?
She says espresso.
That's what I caught too.
Yeah.
A little espresso. Okay. Okay, now you gotta end your segment. Like, comment, share.
Jesus.
Like, comment, share, and follow Mama Deb's Kitchen for those lovely,
Subscribe.
lovely